Welcome to the CryptoNest. So first of all, well, Happy New Year to everyone. And now let's jump into ICP. So I did make you aware that I did accumulate a little bit. I think it was around $8 or $9. I did put some orders, and sometime orders got triggered, others didn't. And I actually took some profits today. And honestly, I've been a little bit greedy, right? Because I did see it did reach this point. I should have sell it here, but I was hoping maybe that it would go higher. And yeah, so unfortunately, I had to sell about here. I say unfortunately, I made I think more than 50%. So because I was on a leverage 5x, so it's still amazing. But once again, greediness is there. And then I know some of you is going to ask, why did I put a TP order limit? Well, it's because on a spot margin, I actually don't have that option. Otherwise, that would have been, yeah, easier, right? It's only on the future leverage that you have those kind of option. On the margin, well, on the exchange I'm using, I didn't find that option, unfortunately, and it's not there. All right, so now what I'm doing, it's I'm just going to wait. Now I am on the 1 hour at the stock RSI. It's already oversold. I'm waiting the RSI to go lower, and honestly, I'm focusing also on the 4 hours. I'm going to try to time when the both stock RSI are going to be lower. I'm going to try to jump in for the next step, and this is going to be around, let me see here, so $7.30 to $18. And as you can see, I did already start to check what would be a good area to jump in. Honestly, we kind of already passed it, unfortunately, almost, because 0.618 was almost triggered, but I believe we can go much lower. What's the reason? It's because usually when we make a spike like that, we price like or tend to go back to the previous peak, right? So the previous resistance that after that becomes support. And I'm really emphasizing on that level. So this is why I did put an alarm here. Actually, I'm going to be less greedy and put it a little bit higher. And but definitely, if it jumped to the 0.618, I am going to jump in again and scare in partially. Also, you can see that here this level was a kind of a momentarily a resistance, and it did act as eventually as a support afterward, and we did kind of reach that level once again, so and several times. So I'm really hoping that we go to the 0.618, ideally even the 0.65 or somewhere like that. So that's why I'm putting another alarm here. And yeah, I'm going to say accumulate. All right, so this is what I'm looking now. But because I'm kind of start to be worried that need to start to take profits. So this is my strategy now. I'm going to jump out and take profit, and if I find the criteria are met to have a nice entry point again, I will jump back in and with sell stop limit, because I don't know market what is it going to do. Is it going to reverse before the 10th of January, the deadline of the SEC for approval the Bitcoin ETF, or is it going to do that after? So I just want to kind of be in the part of, I want to jump in the train before it leaves. But if the train is cancelled, then I don't want to lose too much time, if I can say that. So this is why I strategically take profits. And actually, I'm not intending to put all the profits that I make that I made back into ICP. 30-40%, I'm going to take them and put them aside and see how it goes. And those are meant for later days, for deeper pullbacks. And once again, I did tell you, a lot of time I go on the daily or even sometime weekly, and we need to see, okay, so now actually maybe weekly it's even better. What would be a nice price rediscover or a revisit? And let's say for ICP, well, first of all, if we manage to go to the $18, then yeah, this level here at around $10, really possible. So my profits would materialize a buy order limit at that level here, and maybe a little bit lower as well, just in case if it goes there, and you just leave it there. And that for me is going to be maybe a leverage of 5x or even 10x, depending on the situation and how high we go. All right, so this is pretty much all for ICP for today. Once again, Happy New Year, and we'll see a lot in this in this new year. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.